Hey, Bookie. I mean, Peach, whatever. I look so good. And I want you to look good too, which is why I made this tutorial just for you. If you ain't got your products out, please get your products out so you can follow along with me. If you want extra protection, you can use a makeup spray and let it dry down before you apply your loose powder, which is what I'm doing right now. I apply loose powder over my whole face just to mattify my whole face. And now I'm going in with foundation. I'm going to cover my whole face with foundation. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible shade 520. And I'm going to take this over every area of my face. This is a full coverage foundation, so one layer is fine. You may have to build up on some areas, but for the most part, if you have really okay skin, you can use one layer. If you have a few darker spots, then you may have to double that area, but you just want to make sure every area is covered. Like, really take your time and blend your makeup all the way down. You want this to look like skin. If you was to do nothing else, people should think that this is your real skin. So I'm taking my time, making sure I got all the areas covered. Like, we don't want to leave nothing untouched, and we want the makeup to look skin-like, which is why I'm making sure I blend all the way down. You're like, okay, girl, I get the point. Like, do you? I'm beating myself so hard. I done poked myself in the damn eye. Like, hurry up. Okay, so step 3, we're going to take our pressed powder from Maybelline. I'm using shade 334. Gonna make sure we get a good amount and set right up under our eyes in an upward motion. And I showed you the reverse way in a downward motion. Either way is fine. Just want to make sure you get under your eyes really good. You can look up even if you have to. Get on the sides of the nose. You want to make sure they look smooth and very blended, soft and even. Once everything looks soft and even, if you need to go back and layer a little more, that is fine for you to do so. You want to get above your lip and the forehead area. You want to make sure your forehead area is blended out smoothly. Like, you don't want to be able to tell where the powder stops and begins. So make sure those edges are blended really well. Now I'm taking a peach eyeshadow from a Juvia's Place palette. And I'm using it as my blush. I'm going for like a pouty look. I don't know what to call it, like a pouty blush. I'm in love face, like a natural blush girly. So I'm gonna build up this blush, but I'm gonna keep it light and pretty and smooth, but I'm gonna lightly build it up as I go. So y'all get to see me dig into the palette and apply more, take my time, and just build slowly. I'm making sure I keep it in the forefronts of my cheeks versus the side of my cheeks. Because like I said, I'm going for like a pouty look. Now I'm going in with a Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics brown shade, which is for my contour. This is no longer available, so you just want to find like any brown eyeshadow, any bronzer. You're going to bronze the sides of your face. This is going to bring warmth to your face on the sides and depth, just on the sides, so you don't have a cast if your foundation wasn't dark enough. And remember, we also added powder, so you want to bring that warmth back into your skin. And I'm just blending away using tapping motions, making sure where the light and the dark meet is seamless. That's our main goal. Everything, it need to be seamless. Hold your edges, tape your edges, do whatever you got to do. But make sure you get some makeup around them edges, baby. Don't have mismatch makeup going on. You see, I'm just taking this contour down my nose. I didn't add any extra product. I'm just making a little fake nose contour with this big ass brush. Nothing major, because I'm going for a soft girl look, so I don't want like a super defined nose or like harsh contour. Now I'm going in with lipstick. It's the Maybelline brown lipstick in shade 85. You can order it off Amazon. You can buy it off Maybelline.com. You can get it in Ulta, in probably Sephora, Walmart, probably CVS, probably just about every damn well. You can get this lipstick and line your lips. I know I use eyeshadow a lot, but you can use this too instead, and it stays. It doesn't budge. Like, if you let this dry all the way down and then go on with your next step, it will stay on all freaking day, all freaking night. So remember, we're going for a pouty circle look. I'm taking black on my brush. Y'all see this like a little eyeshadow brush. And I'm just dusting my eyebrows with black eyeshadow and bringing them back to life. Because why? We want to keep everything natural, soft, and cute. My eyebrows is really full. If you got really full eyebrows, you can do the same thing. If you got spare eyebrows, you can do the same thing. And if you need to go in and add a few hair-like strokes, then do that. But be light-handed, because the type of look we're going for is pouty, airish, seamless, springtime, in the fall, in the winter. So here, I'll try to start adding some freckles, and I'm gonna let y'all see, just to see my fuck up and all that. But I do not recommend doing your freckles like this. I got like an eyebrow brush. You need a brush that's pointy, like dots. These look like little lines, and I do not recommend you doing it. See, I started making them darker, and they look a fool. You need to get you some dots, or you need to get those stickers, or you could just print the dots on your face. But this right here, this was an epic fail. I had to end up brushing it off. But I just wanted y'all to see, like, players fuck up. And if you fuck up, you can always come back from it. I'm finna try to add some more powder on top. Just try to blend it out. See what I could do. Like, y'all would say, her, it kind of look okay with it. I checked another mirror, and baby, it look a fool. I'm like, hell no. It look kind of cute from back there, don't it? But in real fucking life, that shit looked like, who did it and why? So I'm showing y'all my gloss. I love this gloss. I think they said 170. This the Maybelline gloss. What kind of gloss is it? The lifter gloss. It's real cute. It's real cute. It's like a peachy color. It's pretty full coverage. Still kind of sheer, but it's definitely buildable. To get like that thickness, how the bottle look. Oh, look at my lips. Just like that, y'all. You see how girly and cute that is? I know my lashes fucked up, but we on the way there. I'm telling y'all bye because I don't think I'm done, and I think it's cute. I took it off, baby. I scrubbed it as best I could. I scrubbed those freckles out the best I could. And I kind of like it just like that. I'm bringing my peachiness back. Because I had dust all my peachiness off. So I'm bringing it back just to show y'all. But if y'all want those freckles, use like a dotted pencil. Like a light brown pencil. So I put glue on my lash line. And I'm just going to stick my lashes right on. Just like that. Pull your eye to the side. Close it kind of. And you pop them bad boys on. And you can go about your business. I'm just letting you know. Make sure they lined up. Make sure they're not poking you. They're not going to hang or nothing. You're not going to be, eyes not going to be tearing up and stuff like that. Like, really make sure they on really good so you can be comfortable throughout your day and your night. You know what I'm saying? This is very important. I'm just making sure they look good. I'm over here trying to get it together because I'm finna die. I got them extensions on and I'm trying to make it work. But I think I did the best I could have. Get on both of the mascara. And I'm going to go about my business. I'm not finna be in here all day. This look probably took me about total, I would say probably about 15, 20 minutes tops. Probably like 17 minutes. I chopped it down for y'all. I was able to get it done. Get y'all viewed and recorded at 13 minutes. So I expect y'all to get this done and tag me and come in and let me know how y'all feel about this look. Give me some feedback. Let me know how y'all feel. I love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me. And yeah. Love y'all. This is the look. Final. Just some quick, cute, girly. You can see the freckles poking through. This me in flash. This me in the ring light having fun. Yeah.